Hello my fellow modelers. In this video, let us deal with creating the engine, painting the engine, and finally installing the fuel tanks. Enough said, let's begin. At first glance, the engine may look a bit overwhelming to be created out of paper. So, we're going to use a few substitutes. Creating the engine crankshaft is a straightforward process. Just take your time and it will come out just as advertised. As we can see here, I've found a Q-tip handle can be used to create cylindrical parts, like the cylinders and other areas of the engine. A strip of paper about 70 gram weight is used to create the different diameter thickness of the cylinder heads. After installing the first set of 9 cylinder heads on the front row, we repeat the same process for the back row, and we'll have a perfect radial engine made out of paper at this scale. I went to the local art store and I found silver. This I used to create the various shades of color to represent the engine, some darker, some lighter, to give that relief and effect to try and make it look as realistic as possible at this scale. I just want to take a bit of time out to say thank you so much for all the encouragement I have been receiving, and please, if you're new to this, please consider subscribing to this channel as I continue to build so much more different type of models out of paper. Thank you so much for your support again, and as always, stay tuned as I build quite a few. Now it's looking mean. Now we're looking like the Hellcats we know. I found the construction of the fuel tank pretty straightforward. Just paint the edges once completed and it should look really decent. To secure the tank to the fuselage, I use super glue. Hold it in place quick, hold it in place fast, and then we add the fine details like the fuel tank strap. Well, this is where we're going to stop for today. In the next build, it will be the final video of this particular model, where we'll deal with the cockpit, the prop, and canopy. Until then, my friends, happy modeling and one love.